Hi, my name is Garrett McDonald. I'm the President and CEO of Maritime Resources. We are a gold exploration and development company based in Toronto, with our main asset is the Hammerdown Gold Project in Newfoundland and Labrador. Cautionary statement here for you. So some of the key takeaways from Maritime is that we're dealing with a very high-grade former operating mine. It was operated by Richmont in the early 2000s when gold was in the range of $300 to $400 per ounce. It had an average grade of over 15 grams per ton. It produced 143,000 ounces, and it was closed in 2004 when gold was around $400 per ounce. It operated with a very high cutoff grade of around 8 to 9 grams per ton. So over the last couple of years, Maritime has developed a new plan to turn this mine back on. We are targeting 70,000 ounces per year over the first 5 years, with a 1.1 year payback on $57 million of capital. And at $1,650 US per ounce gold, the after-tax economics are very strong in this project at over 200 million NPV with an 81% IRR. We have an agreement with Rambler Metals and Mining for the Nugget Pond Gold Circuit. This is a local process plant that was used actually before for Hammerdown. Proven plant with 97% gold recovery. This plant is currently idle, and we have plans to turn it back on for Hammerdown. We've initiated project permitting. The strong local and provincial support for mining. Newfoundland is a great jurisdiction to work in. We actually have fantastic exploration potential as well around the existing mine and within a 5-kilometer mineralized trend at Hammerdown. With very little exploration completed below 200 meters. A new discovery was made last year at the Whisker Valley project, where we see high-grade quartz veins very similar to Hammerdown. We have a 10,000 meter drill program underway at the moment. And we just recently announced some results from our first round of infill testing where we see 8 grams over nearly 9 meters within our open pit mine plan. Corporately, we have a market cap of around $30 million, $2.8 million in working capital, no debt, and some very well-known shareholders in the company, Dundee Goodman Merchant Partners, Sprott Capital, Sprott Asset Management, and 1832 Asset Management. We have analyst coverage from George Topping at Industrial Alliance with a 25-cent target. Here's where we're located. We're in Newfoundland and Labrador up in the Bayvert mining area. So we're near the town of Springdale and Kanes Point, close to our neighboring mines, which is Rambler and Anaconda to the north. And this is a great area to work in. We have skilled labor available. We have infrastructure, roads, power, we have services and suppliers, everything that we need to develop the Hammerdown Gold Project. And this is what it looks like. So our PEA study has identified 2 deposits, Hammerdown and Orion, and small open pits on each one, followed by underground mining. So in total here, we have over 4 million tons that would be going to a central crushing and ore sorting facility at a rate of 1,400 tons per day. The sorting plant would remove the dilution that we take along from the mining process, returning that back into the mine as backfill, with the high-grade feed going to the Nugget Pond mill via a paved highway. So we're very close to infrastructure. We're literally a kilometer away from hydropower here. So everything is really well set up for the project. In terms of exploration, Hammerdown sits within a 5-kilometer trend. We see high-grade gold and gold-rich VMS targets along this trend, with very little exploration done below 250 meters. So we see a lot of potential. We have a 10,000 meter program underway at the moment. We're targeting the depth potential of Hammerdown and Orion and trying to firm up our knowledge in between these deposits as well. So it's a very exciting time. We have news starting to come out now from this drill program, which we'll have out throughout the summer. So Maritime Resources, we're in the Bayvert Mining District. We're in a great area to work in. They actually want mining here, so it's a lot of fun. We have excellent local infrastructure, mineral processing facilities nearby, which is very rare, and a very good development project to get this thing off the ground. Strong economics, low capital, high grades, and a 10,000 meter program underway right now. So if you have any questions, please give myself or Tanya Bretto a call and be happy to talk to you more about it. Thank you.